Ever since we learn to speak, everybody starts asking us this one question, and that is, what do you want to be when you grow up? Now, I can go on and on what I wanted to be, but you can't really know for sure when you're 10, can you? No, I can't really say for sure what I wanted to be, but there was this one thing that I always loved doing, and that was making videos. From making cringy skits to teleportation videos like Zack King, I used to make everything. And I loved it. I started doing it because, well, I'm an introvert and I love telling stories. Now, why can't an introvert tell stories? Because I was socially anxious. I couldn't sit with four people around me and just start talking without any hesitation. I am very socially awkward. I'm not really good with social interaction. So telling stories wasn't really a part of skill that I had, like face to face. So I found a way to tell stories, to tell what I thought, to tell the people, to tell the world my thoughts. And so I fell in love with filmmaking. And now, after 5 or 6 years of constant practicing, imagining, and creating of ideas and videos, I can say what I wanted to be or what I want to be. These past, I don't know how many months, have been very hard for me as a content creator. I have been at my worst when it comes to making videos. Whenever I make a video, I feel this constant pressure of not staying still. I always want to make something more, something else, and that pressure have really been messing with my mental health. I started making videos because I enjoyed it, because it made me happy. I started making videos to feel better. But now, whenever I make a video, it always comes with a problem or problems. Art is something that rather comes natural. It can't be forced. You can't just tell your mind to think of an idea and it does it for you. It just clicks. That's why the symbol of an idea is a lit up light bulb. It can lit up anywhere, anytime, and in any way. And as a content creator, when it doesn't lit up and with that constant pressure on your head to make something more, so make something else, it gets a little frustrating. It gets not a little bit, it gets very frustrating, it gets stressful, and you just feel like uh, someone's put you under a hydraulic press. And when an idea does come to your mind, it comes with another problem. Making videos and putting your ideas, your inspiration, and all your thoughts into it's a bit time consuming, and to be very honest, it's hard. And after almost 5 years of making videos and being in this field, or like not professionally but still, I do feel a need of acceptance, of appreciation. Because if I feel and if I know that I'm being appreciated for what I do, it would motivate me to do it better the next time, to do more, right? But that just kills the reason why I actually started this, why I started making videos. So that's another problem. I do this because I love doing this. I make videos because it makes me feel better. I make videos because it gives me joy. But if I just starting doing this for views and subscribers and fame, it would kill the reason why I actually started this for. Now I never gave a single shit about views, but after a while when you make a video that you're really proud of, that you put so much sleepless nights and so much work with so much devotion, and then you finally upload it, YouTube analytics comes in the next day and says, yeah, that sucks. So it hurts. It honestly hurts because you put so much work in it and it just doesn't pay off. It doesn't get views, it doesn't get appreciated. It does makes you insecure. Now I'm not saying that views judge what how good a video is. Good things can be underrated and shittiest thing could be overrated. I know that, but it does make you feel insecure about what you do. At least it does make me feel insecure about what I do. And after a while it just starts to feel empty. I should be doing this because I love it. Now, that right there is another problem. Because sometimes I love it too much. I mean, I would think about it too much and then it would pressurize me, and that takes me back to problem one. So it's a constant loop of problems. And there are a lot of problems that I can talk right now. They do not end, but basically, what I'm trying to say is, in conclusion, that my life is just a big clusterfuck. ज़िंदगी के इस सफ़र में कहीं खो गया मैं, ना मालूम मुझे अपनी पहचान, ना मालूम मुझे अपना मुकाम। सोच के सिलसिलों में असलियत हूँ मैं ढूंढता, मबहम हर लम्हा हूँ मैं घूमता। होना चाहूँ मैं आज़ाद, पर बांध रखा मुझे इन जंजीरों ने सोच की। हर बात पे करूँ मैं गिला, हर कदम का पहले सोचूँ मैं सिला। पहले था मैं पुरजोश अपने मकसद को लेके, अब ना होती फ़िक्र और ना होता ज़िक्र मेरे ख्वाब का। पहले खामोश न थे मेरे ख़यालात, अब चुपचाप सा हो गया मैं। ज़िंदगी के सफ़र में कहीं खो गया मैं। Life has been a bit hard to enjoy with all these problems and all these thoughts on my mind. And whenever I do seem to enjoy a little bit, my mind automatically goes back to the problems, and I feel like I'm wasting time whenever I'm having a good time with my friends or getting a good night's sleep. The thing is that I don't want to feel this way. I don't want to feel like this is bad for me, and I don't want my passion to just disappear, because honestly I don't have anything else that I would do. I wouldn't ever want to do anything else because I love doing this, and as long as I remember, from the very beginning I've been doing this. As long as I remember, I love this and I have loved this. This is basically my personality. Making videos is my personality. Making videos is what makes me me. So I wouldn't ever want to give it up. Looking back at all this, I realized this is all I ever wanted. This is all I wanted to do from the beginning, from my childhood. And honestly, if my younger self could see me right now, I know he would be proud. I'm not a big YouTuber or something. I'm not a celebrity. I'm not earning millions, but still I'm not doing something that doesn't make me happy. I'm not going towards a profession that I hate doing. At least I'm doing something for myself. And yeah, there can be problems with the things you love the most, and there will be obstacles, but well, You can't give up. You just can't.
शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। मेरा फलसफा कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता, चला मैं जहाँ ले चला मुझे रास्ता, बूंदों पे नहीं गहरे समंदर पे। ओ, ओ, ओ।
What was the question again?
What do you want to do when you grow up?
Yeah. I want to make great fucking
इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए।